Hello, dear students. I'm Dr. Trinity Borgohain, Assistant Professor, Department of Sociology, Government Model College, Kaziranga. Today, I'm going to speak on a topic which is relevant to the efficiency of the system of education that is commonly regarded as the sociology of education. The objective of the class is to basically encourage the students to develop the critical thinking skills and also to develop a deeper understanding of the world around them and learn to question the assumptions. Before going to the meaning of the sociology of education, first of all, I'd like to throw some light on the basic meaning of sociology and also the education. First, about the sociology, suppose the question comes in our mind that what is sociology? Sociology is basically a social science and it studies how humans act in groups and also the origin, development and functioning of human society. Sociology also studies the relationship between social class, culture, language, parental education, occupation, and also the achievement of the students. Now, coming to the meaning of education, that education in broader sense refers to everything that is learned by an individual in a society. It also refers to the process of imparting knowledge, skills, and values from one generation to another through formal institutions like schools, colleges, and universities. Now, coming to the main theme of this presentation, that is the sociology of education. What is sociology of education? That sociology of education is the study of how public institutions and individuals experiences as well as their experiences affect the education and its outcomes. It is a philosophical as well as sociological concept denoting ideologies, curricula, and pedagogical techniques of the inculcation and also the management of knowledge and the social reproduction of personalities and the cultures. The concept also emphasizes the sociological problems in the realm of education. Now, just giving some ideas as given by the various authors of sociology, the renowned sociologist like Emil Durkheim. Emil Durkheim is considered to be the first person to point out the sociological approach to education. Durkheim viewed education as to be essentially social in character and its functions, and that as a result, the theory of education relates more clearly to sociology than any other social sciences. According to John Dewey, education is a social process which aims to develop social efficiency in terms of physical, mental, social, cultural, moral, and character, vocational, and citizenship development. Max Weber says education is a promise of access to and exercise of power in any society. Hence, Weber is clear that what distinguishes the educated class is its very education and its desire to seek power through this education, but that education as a whole is not necessarily tied to this singular objective. The whole presentation of today is mainly about the relationship between sociology and education. So now I'm going to look at the kind of relationships that take place between sociology and education. Firstly, the prime concern of sociology is to socialize individuals. Education is the means for achieving the goals of sociology, where education also takes place in the society and is thus a social thing. Even society and social milieu determine the ideal education realizes. Moreover, sociology studies the structure and the functions of social system, while education is one of the important functions of any social system. Next, Sociology prepares plans and programs for social development, while education implements the same to develop well integrated and wholesome individuals. Also, sociology develops laws and principles as social norms, while education adopts this for its improvement. Next, if I look at some of the theoretical perspectives on the relationship between sociology and education, there it can be said that functionalists, there are so many school of thoughts and various kinds of theoretical perspectives had come up to understand and also on the relationship between the concept of sociology and the education, whether there is a kind of relationship is there or not between the sociology as well as education. So functionalists say that education plays a crucial role in maintaining social stability and cohesion. It provides a sense of common identity, shared values, and a collective conscience. Whereas conflict theorists emphasize that educational institutions perpetuate social inequalities by favoring the dominant social and economic classes. Unequal access to the resources and the opportunities reinforces the divide between the privileged and the marginalized. On the other hand, interactionists focus on the everyday interactions within the educational settings. They study how teachers, students, and administrators shape the learning process and how individual experiences influence educational outcomes. So now the question is, what is the need to study sociology of education? It can be said that every society has its own changing socio-cultural needs and requires education to meet all these needs. However, there is the need for studying sociology of education, where it helps in understanding first the effect of social elements on the working of school and society. Second, effect of social elements on the life of individuals. It will also help us understanding the need for promoting and understanding the international or interconnectional cultures. Next is a need for the promotion of social adjustment, as well as the effect of social groups, their interrelations, and the dynamics on the individuals. So, as a whole, at last we can say that both the sociology and the concept of education are related with each other, and the relationship between these two disciplines emphasizes the social aims of education, and its insights not only help us understand existing challenges but also provide a roadmap for creating inclusive, then innovative and transformative learning environment. However, at last, it can be said that sociology and education are two interconnected fields that deeply influence each other. So, for this class, some of the references have been taken into account, but due to shortage of time, I could only give just one reference. And lastly, thank you to all of you.